Literally breaking news. Bitcoin is up more than 10% because of the ETF approval. It very much looks like the ETF, the Bitcoin Spot ETF, will get into trading very soon, and that's because of the following news. Look at this guy, Eric Balchunas, senior ETF analyst for Bloomberg. The iShares Bitcoin Trust has been listed on the DTCC, Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which clears Nasdaq trades, and the ticker will be IBTC. That's a tweet 4 hours ago. And this is the Bitcoin chart in the last 10 days. 4 hours ago was roughly over here. So it's not yet an official approval, but we're getting closer and closer. Not too long ago, people were saying that this was just talk by the Bitcoin maximalists, that a Bitcoin ETF in the end might not get approved. Now I think it's just a matter of time. It's really not the question anymore whether or not it will get approved. It's just really a matter of time. And it looks like this time window is shrinking further and further. There isn't that much time anymore to accumulate Bitcoin and take advantage of that final rally. I don't think this 10% rally is all that we will see. Now, this is not the first rally that's been driven by potential Bitcoin ETF news. We had something very similar just 8 days ago. We shot up. Then the whole thing was dismantled as being fake, and so we instantly went back down again. This time we stay up. And we also see that people continued buying even after it had been revealed that this was just fake news. Bitcoin went up, whereas traditional markets in the same time, the Nasdaq for example, went down. Yeah, this is the development of tech stocks during the same time. In other words, this rally is really Bitcoin specific. Bitcoin is also outperforming pretty much the rest of the market. Bitcoin dominance continues to go up. 54% of all of crypto is now in Bitcoin. The timing really doesn't matter that much. Will it get approved in 1 week or in 1 month or maybe in 3 months? It doesn't matter as long as we are pretty certain that institutional money will get in with that ETF approval. The great next question is, will there be an Ethereum ETF at some point? So far, it looks like the market isn't speculating on this. Ethereum relative to Bitcoin, that's this chart, is constantly going down in the last months. The underperformance so far has been almost 40%. That's since September of 2022. The SEC didn't say much regarding Ethereum. They didn't really declare Ethereum a commodity or a security. I don't think now is the time to already speculate on the next asset getting approved. I rather think that the Bitcoin rally is likely going to continue from here. 10%, 15% is nothing in the grand scheme of things if we really believe that institutional capital will flow into that Bitcoin ETF. I very much believe that Bitcoin will make new all-time highs because of that. And once we see those new all-time highs, then it might make sense to get into Ethereum and maybe also into other altcoins. Right now, I stay away from alts. Right now, it's Bitcoin time. Bitcoin dominance is likely going to continue to rise from here. This is not something I just say now with that rally. I've been saying this for many months. Feel free to check out prior videos on this channel as well. And if you're not yet part of our Telegram, there's a link down below.